Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of bad coffee at home? Can the Longhi 15 bar pump espresso machine change that? Let's find out. This semi-automatic espresso machine is a game changer. With its easy setup and king size, you'll be brewing like a pro in no time. The Longhi 15 bar pump espresso machine is top rated and well reviewed by many customers who have made the switch to a more authentic coffee experience. With its 15 bar professional pressure, you can assure quality results every time, and the adjustable controls allow you to make modifications for your personal taste preferences, giving you that perfect cup every time. The sound of the machine is music to your ears as it brews authentic barista-quality beverages just like you enjoy at your favorite coffee house, whether it's a single or double espresso, cappuccino, or latte. The advanced cappuccino system with manual frother mixes steam and milk to create a rich, creamy froth for evenly textured drinks, just the way you like them, and the feel of the froth on your tongue is heavenly. The 3-in-1 filter holder has a holder for 1 espresso shot, a holder for 2 shots, and 1 for an easy-serve espresso pod, giving you the flexibility to make your coffee just the way you want it. This machine is perfect for those who want a real coffee experience without leaving their home, and its sleek space-saving design fits beautifully on a kitchen countertop without taking up too much space. Imagine being able to make a perfect cappuccino or latte every time, with the perfect balance of espresso and frothed milk. It's a total game changer. The Longhi 15 bar pump espresso machine is definitely worth considering if you're looking to elevate your coffee game. With its ease of use, flexibility, and authentic results, you'll be wondering how you ever managed without it, so why not give it a try, and if this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.